Good afternoon. Before you get started, make sure that you have a browser up, a Google browser. Okay, you're going to type in Shadow Creek High School. When you get there, I need you to click on the actual site, click on Library, and go ahead and sign in for today. You're going to put in your name, your student ID number, we're downstairs, your grade. You're in here for whichever period. Ms. Rosby is your teacher, and you are here for research assistance, and then you submit. Okay, once you've done that, you can open up another tab, close that one out, go back to Shadow Creek High School Library site, click on Library, and you are here today because you will begin to start your research for Ms. Rosby's class. I would like to show you how to utilize our online resources, and so you're going to go under Welcome to the Library, click on Online Resources. You're going to click on, today we're going to talk about Gill resources. You guys are environmental science students, so go ahead and we will use Science in Context or Greener. It's going to ask you to input a username and password. The password is all caps SCHS 2016. So if you see here, you will be able to search different topics. You can browse by topic. So for example, if we're talking about industrial agriculture, you can search. You will see case studies, you will see the websites, the blogs. Okay. And so this is Greener. Now, I want to take you back to actually we can just click on the tab, and I want to take you guys to Science in Context. So click on Science in Context, and this is where I want to show you how you can take notes within your Google Drive. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Sign In with Google, and mine automatically came up because I'm already signed into Google, but you would sign into Google if it asks you to do so. On this one, you can browse by topics, okay, or you can search topics. So if we're talking about acid rain, you see how it is itemized here on the page, okay? So it brought up 36 reference resources, 99 academic journals, magazines. Okay, so you click on that. Now, by content level, you can click basic, intermediate, advanced, however you want to search. So if you want an intermediate one, it'll bring up all of those. It tells you what type of source it is. Is it a report, an article, a brief article? So you also want to pay attention to the dates, okay? And you can go in and limit your search by different things. Publication title, document type. So go ahead and click on the first one, faculty-led study, or whatever your first one is. Okay, I want to show you how you would go about taking notes. So, for example, highlighted notes. If you highlight this text, and you can also listen to the text. So if you're one of those audio learners, okay, pause that. So if you want to take notes, you highlight whatever you'd like to take notes on. You could delete it and just get whatever you need out of there. Highlight it and then take your notes. Or whatever notes you have to take. Then you save it. Okay, so let me go down here, do the same thing. I want you to try a few of these. Okay. Okay, save it. Do a third note. Okay, save it. So now I want to show you that you can send this to your Google Drive. So go ahead and click on Send to Google Drive. So let's recap. You've taken notes, okay, and this is what you're going to do throughout your research. You're going to read your articles, take the notes that you need, and highlight, take the note, send it to your Google Drive. Okay. It says documents have been sent to Google Drive and will appear shortly. So say OK. You're going to open up another tab so that you can get your waffle here, and you should be logged into your Google Drive. So click on it, and if you're not logged in, log in through your email and then go to the waffle and click on Drive. And you see this is what we just worked on. Faculty-led study abroad in atmospheric science education. So it shows you the article that you pulled up as well as the notes that you took. And at the very end of the article, it's going to take you to the highlighted passages. Okay, so this is all the notes that you took in one spot. All right, so let's exit out of that. You can leave it up if you choose, but I'm going back into here. Okay, another thing I want to show you is the citation tool. So click on Citation Tools, and this one is MLA 8th edition, and it shows you exactly what the citation is. So you could download it, okay, on the side, or you can actually export it. Select, oh wait a minute, and the download is down there. You can't see it, but it brings it up there. But you can also, when you go to, hold on, let's open that back up in Google Drive. Your Google Drive should give you the citation as well. Let me see. It does. See right here, it says source citation. So there's your Google, the citation in Google. But if you want to check it against something, and I would recommend that you check it against the Online Writing Lab. So go ahead and open up a tab and type in Online Writing Lab, which stands for OWL, Purdue OWL welcome to the Purdue University Online Writing Lab. So click on it. And you're going to click on, let's see, the top one, and click on Research and Citation. Once you click on that, click on MLA style. Okay, and this will guide you. So that what we used was an actual article online. So that would be considered a periodical or an electronic source. So click on periodical, article in a magazine, article in a newspaper. If you see anything there, click on electronic resources. Okay. Citing an entire website, a page, image, an article in a web magazine, an article in an online scholarly journal. So this is how your citation would look if it was an article in a journal in an online scholarly source. An article from an online database. So just different things. For example, we used an online database. So this would be how yours would look. So you can match it up against the one that we see here. So you have the author's names here, their last names. Yes, but in this particular one, okay, that's correct, because the last author, you have their first name first and their last name last. The other ones, you just have their last names. Quotation marks of the actual article name. Okay, yes, they have that there. Then you have the source that it came from, which is the Bulletin of the American Meteorological Society. And they have here the name of it and so forth, the journal page and the date, and the same thing here. And it came from Science and Context, and here it tells you that it came from Wiley Online. So this is actually how it is supposed to be, and you want to always check that because it's not always the case. Okay, today I want you to explore the Science and Context database. We will review the other database that I showed you a few moments ago, which is Greener. But because I showed you how to go into Google online with the Google Drive, I want you to explore that actual database and take notes, highlight, and put it into your Google Drive. Okay? I will have more for you tomorrow. Good luck researching. If you have any questions, please see me at the front desk, and I will be able to come back and help you. Thank you.